Meet Luna, the fluffy kitten, ready for a day of cuteness and cuddles. She stretches her tiny paws, greeting the sunshine with a happy purr. First adventure, pouncing on her favorite feather toy, practicing agility. A quick sip of fresh water keeps Luna hydrated and healthy. Gentle brushing not only looks cute, but keeps her fur smooth. She watches the fish swim, a calming moment for the curious kitten. A tasty treat reward after playtime, supporting her nutrition. Climbing the cat tree strengthens her muscles and confidence. Kneading the blanket shows comfort and prepares her for a nap. Dreamy nap time. Rest helps her grow strong and happy. Clean litter ensures a fresh, safe space for Luna's bathroom needs. End of day, love and cuddles. Keep your pet happy and healthy.